right, so welcome to WeVideo. Here's your next project that you're going to do. It's called the 30-shot challenge. Okay, and right now this is I'm showing this in my view, my teacher view. But at some point you'll see the directions, and if I go here to edit, yeah, it should pop up here. So here's the basic information: 30-shot challenge. You're going to create a 90-second video showing me that you can capture one action with different shot types. So you're going to have 30 different shot types of one continuous action. The hardest part of this project is probably going to be selecting what your action that you're going to be filming over and over again 30 times. So here's the pre-production part. Read through this, steps 1 through 3. The production part right here, this is when you're actually going to go out and film your shots. Let me back up just a quick second here. This is really, really important. Step number 2 is you're going to make a shot list of your shots on paper first. And here's the required components. You're going to have a title. You'll have text overlays with the number of shots, 30 in total. You're going to edit each shot to 3 seconds. Find some really creative music to match the mood in WeVideo, and then an end slide with the credits of who did what. Remember, you can work collaboratively on this, and I'll create a separate video showing you how to do that. But you can all log into WeVideo, and you can, for example, you can have your editor start editing all the shots with 3 seconds. You can have, well, let me just show you. I'll just take you over here to, yeah, here we go.